Today we'll start something which is very natural and which is always like surrounding us. We are also part of it, and other things also part of it, and that is created by someone, and a very important person we all knows about that person, or uh, we can say that kind of spirit or kind of belief. That thing only created us or everything. So we will go to talk about all of the lesson and all things. Today we'll start with the lesson number third, and all are different human beings. So why we are talking this? Because we'll get to know about that every person have different qualities, features of face, cutting also, nose size, eyes also even different. Some of people have light brown, black, dark, or some of people have clean forehead, some of people have a very small forehead, some of people have very beautiful face, and some of people don't have, and some of white, some of black, some of brown, some of uh, both of color have, like black and brown, like that. So and every person have different mentality also, even every person have different kind of thinking because of situation, because in a different situation they live, that's why this kind of things happening. And this, because of this only, they have a different kind of mentality in all things. So we will start with this lesson, and these all things we'll learn, and what and all things are different we'll get to know. And before that we are talking about this kind of thing, because every person have their own personality, their own things, their their everything is depend on their own basic physical or mental things what they are going through. Some people are very fatty, some people are medium fat, and some people are very thin, some people are not even, and some people are like not fatty, not thin, so medium only. So this kind of thing, what is it? Different. And this is created by God. So in this all the lesson we'll not talk about the that God created. We'll learn only on these things, that every person have different kind of features, every person have different kind of mentality, physique also. Okay, so shall we start with this? Okay, now we'll start with the lesson, and you have to read along with me. Okay, it's very nice because we'll get to know what kind of things and different kind of things in humans, what are they, we'll get to know. Okay, now we'll start with the lesson. All are different means being different. Okay, Sahil is looking at the photograph of his class picnic. He is looking one photograph picture of his classmate. He is smiling. He is smiling on that photograph when he is seeing. At the time, Sahil's mother sees him smiling. Sahil's mother saw him that he is smiling, and she asked Sahil to tell her about the children of his class. Then his mother said, "Tell me something about your classmate." Okay? Sahil tells her many things about his classmates, and Sahil told many of things about his classmates. He says there are 30 students in our class 30 students in my class. So he is telling that, Ma, this is the in my class 30 students are there. Okay, among them 16 are girls. So if I talk about girls only, so 16 are girls and other are boys. Okay, all are different, and he is telling all 16 girls and all other boys also have different quality, different mentality, different physique, different ways of talking also, and they are thinking also differently. So now he is telling how and what are things are different. Some are thin, some of are very thin. Thin means like this. And some of are fatty. Fatty means very fatty. Like that. Some are very tall. Some are very tall like this. And some are very short, not having that much height. So some are very short. Some girls have long hair. Long hair. Some girls have long hair. Long hair. Your mother also having long hair, right? Some of baby mother have some long, short hair, right? So some of girls have short hair. Now he is telling some children wear glasses. And glasses. Some of goggles wearing. Some of not. One boy is very shy. In my class, one boy is very shy. So he didn't mix with us. He never talk with us. He never goes to play with us. He never is doing which is necessary to or to talk with us. He is not mixing with us. He is not talking to us that much. Some children are very helpful. They always help others. Now he is telling that Sahil is saying that some of children are very helpful and they are helping each other, and they are giving and teaching some of things to me and helping me to get understand what exactly the thing or what these things are, like that they are helping me or to others also. Sometimes the girls like to play. Sometimes some of girls likes to play and some of others not. Sometimes the boys like to sing and dance. Like the people were thinking that singing and dancing for girls only. But some of girls also like to play cricket, basketball, tennis, badminton, any other play also they want to play. And kabaddi and kho, these all things they also can play. Some of time boys also can sing and dance. They also want to do this kind of thing. So they are also doing it. So they are also different, right? If it is fun to spend time with so different children, many different children. Like he is telling, Ma, this is very fun and very much very funny thing and very much amazing thing to spend time with many different kind of quality, different kind of mentality, different kind of physique, different kind of way of talking, way of helping. Then we are am very happy, or it's very fun time, or to spend the time with them to it's a very amazing. So it's really very amazing. So I am very happy. So I am seeing my classmates photograph, that's why I am smiling. Okay, so you also having some kind of friends in your class, right? Every of classmate is different. Every of classmate is too much poor in maths maybe, and he is very intelligent in English, or he wanted to understand science more than English, or he wanted to understand geography more than English, or environmental science more than English, or any other subject also more than one this subject. So this all the lesson is just because of this thing only, that God is given these all special things. God is giving everyone different quality, mentality and physique also. So we have to respect everyone uniqueness, and we have to understand every person have different kind of quality. If the one person is weak in one thing, and second thing he is strong but you are weak, so he have more capacity than you in that thing. One person is good in maths, second person is good in science, so both are friends, but he don't know maths, that you don't know maths well, and he don't know science well, but you can help him to make him understand science, and he can help you to make you sort the solving the question of maths. So this is what bonding, helping, different nature, different quality, different talent and uniqueness also being there. Okay, that is the whole of lesson. So if any of one is weak in one subject or two subject, or he won't be able to read also, or education, even he is giving importance in singing, dancing, other curricular activities, that is also a uniqueness. You have to respect that and you have to motivate that person in that own way. Okay, so don't make a joke on anyone, because these all are different kind of quality of everyone. Okay, this is the whole lesson. Next time we'll do the exercise and we'll get to know more about this all things, and what is the right wrong, what is the question answers, everything on board I'll tell you. Okay, have a nice day.